Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter, The Mother's Day. Here, Mrs. Fizzle and Mrs. Pearson, they both are talking, and Mrs. Fizzle, who is expert doing some type of magical spell, and she is going to change the spirit of both of the ladies. Now, at the line of Mrs. Fizzard's conversation, I have not for some time, but it still ought to work. Won't last long, but long enough for what we want to do. Learnt it out east, of course, where they are up to all these tricks. Mrs. Fizzard is saying that when she was in west and she was in east, there she learnt all these magical spells, of course, where they are of all these tricks. She holds her hands out across a table, keeping the cigarette in her mouth, and gimp your hands, dear. Mrs. Fizzle, she is smoking the cigarette, and she takes the hand of Mrs. Fizzle in her hand. Mrs. Pearson, dubiously, well, it means she was surprised. She was shocked. I don't know is it is right. Is it right? क्या ये सही है? Because Mrs. Fizzle doing something and Mrs. Pearson is really confused. What's going on here? Mrs. Fizzle, it's your only chance. Give me your hands and keep quiet a minute. Just don't think about anything. Taking her hand, now look at me. They stare at each other, muttering the Arastha the Arathatam and the Aratha, the Lamdam Bona. It means these are the magical words spelled by Mrs. Fizzle because she wanted to change the spirit. This little scene should be acted very carefully because students, I have already told you that this is not a story, this is a part of drama and all the plays performing on the stage. That's why these small lines, they are because to create the scene on the stage, which kind of scene have to be created here, because both of the ladies are changing their spirits, their personalities, their bodies, so it must be performed very carefully. The instructions are given here. Now Mrs. Pearson, now with Mrs. Fizzle's personality, it means to say after those magical spell, Mrs. Pearson, now actually she is Mrs. Fizzle insidely and Mrs. Fizzle insidely Mrs. Pearson. They both have changed their spirits and now their personalities have been changed. It means अब जो Mrs. Fizzle हैं आउटर लुक से, वो अंदर से मिसिस पियर्सन हैं, और जो मिसिस पियर्सन दिख रही हैं फिजिकली उनके अपीयरेंस से, वो उनकी स्पिरिट से, उनकी सोल से मिसिस फिजल हैं. सो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, इट्स वुड बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग नाउ. व्हाट आई मीन डियर, शी नोटिसेस द सिगरेट. Here you don't want that. She snatches it and puts it in her mouth, on mouth, puffing and contentedly. It is really very interesting that because Mrs. Fizz was smoking the cigarette and this cigarette is in mouth of Mrs. Pearson actually now. So Mrs. Fizzle, after changing the spirit, she puts the cigarette and now puffing contentedly. Mrs. Fizzle, now with Mrs. Pearson's personality, looks down at her herself and sees that her body has changed and gives a scream of fright. It means she scream, वो चिल्लाई क्योंकि वो चेंज हो चुकी थी. उनकी जो फिजिकली शी वॉज लुकिंग मिसिस फिजल with Mrs. Pearson's personality. Oh, it's happened. Of course, it was happened. Pearson, now complacently, of course, it's happened. Very neat. Didn't know I had it in me. Mrs. Fizzle, alarmed, but whatever shall I do, Mrs. Fizzle? George and the children can't see me like this. Mrs. Pearson, they are not going to. That's the point. They will have me to deal with, only they won't know. So Mrs. Fizzle, there is a conversation between both of them because Mrs. Fizzle is smoking the cigarette now, and actually Mrs. Fizzle now is going to the house of Mrs. Pearson in the personality of Mrs. Pearson. And Mrs. Pearson is really confused कि जब उनके बच्चे देखेंगे कि मदर जो है शी इज स्मोकिंग द सिगरेट, तो वो कभी उसको ऐसे देख नहीं पाएंगे बिकॉज शी रियली डिडंट डू दिस बिफोर. बट मिसिस फिजल इज़ क्वाइट श्योर कि यही तो दिखाना है उनको. दे नीड सम चेंज. मिसिस पियर्सन, हेयर स्टीडी मिसिस पियर्सन, इफ़ यू हैड टू लिव माई लाइफ इट वॉन्ट बी सो बैड. You would have more fun as me than you have as you. And Mrs. Pearson, actually Mrs. Pearson is now Mrs. Fizzled. She is saying that you, of course, you would take some rest in personality of Mrs. Fizzled and you will really enjoy it. And now Mrs. Fizzled is going to the home of Mrs. Pearson in her personality, but don't want to be anybody else. Now stop worrying, it's easier changing back. I can do it any time we want. कि डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है और मैं किसी भी तो मैं टाइम पर दोबारा ये पर्सनालिटी चेंज कर सकती हूँ. तो इस तरह मिसेस फिजल ने जो मैजिकल स्पेल से उनकी पर्सनालिटी चेंज की. द रीज़न वॉज दैट she just wanted to teach a lesson to the family of Mrs. Pearson, because Mrs. Pearson really unable to do so. So Mrs. Fizzled is helping out her by the magical spell and changing the spirits of both of them. Tomorrow we will continue our interesting drama, students, and please you also enjoy it by reading yourself. Goodbye.